Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Here in this lecture, we will understand what is JavaScript and why we use JavaScript. Now we have seen that HTML is used to write content of a web page and CSS controls layout of a page. Now why JavaScript is used? Now JavaScript is used for interactivity. Say for example like on click, on page load, on hover, on focus, like this. Say for example you are a web developer and in your website you have a contact form by which clients can contact you through that form. Now in that form there will be some input fields like say name of the contact person, then say email, then the description, like this. And at last there will be one submit button. So when someone click on that submit button, first the form will get validated, like say whether all the fields are filled or not, whether email is type of email or not. Say for example email can be something at the rate say gmail.com, but it cannot be like say something and that at the rate is missing, at the rate later is missing. It cannot happen. So we can check that whether the text which is written in email field is email or not. That can be validated using JavaScript. So these kinds of validation can be done in JavaScript. Now after that validation, the form will be submitted to the server through some server scripting language like say PHP. Now this form validation can be done using JavaScript. So this is just a basic concept of JavaScript, why we use JavaScript and what is JavaScript. Let me tell you some other events. Oops, I have used the term events, isn't it? Now I should tell you that yes, these are the events like say click event, page load event. Say for example an image is loading, that is also an event. Let me give you a practical example. This contact form is also a practical example. Let me tell you another example. Say for example a page is loading, a huge website which has many contents, its page loading time will be much more. And when that page is loading, you will see a broken page. Now, in many websites, you will see when the page is loading, a page loader is showing, which shows how much the page has loaded, instead of showing a broken page. So, what is happening in the background? When the page is loading, we can see that page loader. And when that page has loaded fully, then that loader will be hidden and we will be able to see that full page. This can be done using JavaScript. So these are the events: click event, hover event. There are various events that we will take a look as we progress in this section. So that's it friends. I hope you find this lecture useful in understanding what is JavaScript and why we use JavaScript. In our next lecture, we will take a look at JavaScript syntax. So that's it friends. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.